Customer 2705, heading 210, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff on runway 24 left, Customer 2705.
Delta 89 Heavy, LA Tower, runway 24 left, line up and wait.
Delta 89 Heavy, 24 left, line up and wait.
Southwest 1452, contact SoCal departure.
This is SoCal departure, that's 1452.
Tower United 1956 for 9 Alpha for runway 24.
Delta 89 Heavy, traffic ahead will be turning southbound, wind 2505, RNAV to Delray, runway 24 left, clear for takeoff.
Delta 89 Heavy, RNAV Delray, clear for takeoff, 24 left.
Okay, 3562 LA Tower, it's a full length, runway 24 left, line up and wait, caution wait, turbulence, traffic will cross downfield.
Up away 24 left, go full length now.
1956 LA Tower, caution wait, turns heavy 777 departing the parallel, wind 2505, runway 24 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 24 right, United 1956.
Customer 2705, start your left turn.
Sergeant after the short line 2705.
Customer 2705, contact SoCal departure.
Bye-bye.
Helicopter 5 Papa Lima, LA Tower, clear through Bravo airspace via shoreline route north out of below 150 feet, LA altimeter 3016. Squawk 0270. Sky 5763 at Alpha Alpha, hold short, runway 24 left.
And Alpha, hold short, 24 left, stop. Tower, good morning, Compass 50.
Delta 89 Heavy's passing 1000 for 5.
Delta 89 Heavy to departure, ready contact, climb maintain 8000.
Delta 89 Heavy, climbing 8000.
Climb and maintain 12,000 and contact approach on 134.35.
12,000 and contact approach 3435, Costera 2705.
Left 262 RNAV Docker.
262 Scal departure, stay your altitude, once you're climbing to.
Sorry, 1300 for 5000.
262, thank you, radar contact. Climb and maintain 12,000, maintain 250 knots.
12,000, 250 knots, left 262.
Delta 1358, contact Delhi Center on 12527.
2527, Delta 3058, good day.
Yep.
contact approach 128.75.
12875, that was 1452.
1786 Romeo, SoCal approach. Charlie altimeter 3015.
3015, copy that, 86 Romeo. Purchase gas 3562, 1,800, comma 5,000 on the Orca.
3562 Scal departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 900,000.
9,000, Scal 3562.
Alaska 262, turn left direct PV waypoint, resume the Panda departure.
Direct PV and a Panda departure, Alaska 262.
Contact approach 134.35.
3435, 262, we'll see you later.
Heavy contact approach 128.75.
2875, Delta 89 Heavy.
170, contact SoCal 134.2.
SoCal Delta 89 Heavy would you pass in 6,000 for 8,000.
Delta 89 Heavy, SoCal, bring up altimeter 3015 and high speed climb approved.
High speed approved for Delta 89 Heavy, altimeter 3015.
Travis 1452, traffic 12 o'clock, 5 miles eastbound, 14,200, Twin Cessna VFR maneuvering.
Alright, Southwest 1452.
At this time, need to return to LAX for engine compressor stalls.
Delta 89 Heavy, Roger, and I'm going to need fuel on board and souls, and amend your altitude, maintain 8,000, expect less vectors, back to return to Los Angeles.
South 24, traffic, no factor behind into your left now.
29, Quebec, sir.
Bring you back to LAX immediately, or do you need to hold to burn fuel? You tell me what you need to do.
Okay, Delta 89, we're going to go ahead. We've got the engine, and we have compressor stalls. We've got it back under control. We're going to come back to LAX. We're not critical. We're going to slow to 280 knots. And why don't you turn us downwind at 8,000, keep us out of the terrain, and then we'll turn back to LA.
Okay, so you don't need to hold to dump fuel or anything like that?
Negative. We'll be requesting runway 25 right.
Delta 89 Heavy, turn right heading 100, vectors for ILS 25 right.
Delta 89 Heavy, 100, runway 25 right.
Fourteen 52, call and maintain flight level 230, contact center 125.8.
125.8 up to 230, Southwest 1452.
Busy. When you do have a chance to get souls and fuel, you can let me or the next controller know, and I have a switch for you when you're ready.
Delta 89 Heavy, souls on board will be 181, and fuel on board would be 12 plus 00.
Delta 89 Heavy, thanks, and you can contact SoCal Approach now on 128.5.
28.5 to 189.
Thank you.
American 255, can't approach climb, maintain 10,000.
Maintain 10,000, American 255.
American 255, you get moved over for an inbound emergency. Just maintain 10,000, plan runway 24 right, localized frequency 1085.
Maintain 10,000, heavy plan 24 right, localized. I'm sorry, 24 right.
Charlie 9 Heavy with you, 5,000.
Delta 89 Heavy, SoCal approach, turn right turn, heading of 280, intercept runway 25 right, localizer.
Understand, heading, say again for 289 Heavy.
Delta 89 Heavy, turn right, heading of 280, intercept runway 25 right, localizer.
280 for the 25 right localizer for Delta 89 Heavy.
VJ 10 Heavy, reduce speed to 190 knots.
190 knots, VJ 10 Heavy. Approach American 255, just one, you want to track 25, that's localizer for right now.
American 255, turn 10 right, intercept 2 right, localizer, descend and maintain 7,000.
7,010 right, intercept localizer, American 255 for 2 right.
Eva 601 Heavy, I'm going to resequence you to an inbound emergency.
Copy, Eva 601.
VJ 10 Heavy, maintain 190 knots.
190 knots, VJ 10 Heavy, slow down.
Eva 601 Heavy, descend and maintain 6,000.
Please maintain 6,000, Eva 601.
JetBlue 487, 170 or better to Lima, contact tower now, 120.95, good day. Eva 601 Heavy, here's the plan. You're going to go down the localizer. I'm going to take you off to the left and back to the east.
Okay, I understand, Eva 601.
American 255, connect approach 128.5.
128.5, American 255.
BJ 10 Heavy, depart Seal Beach, heading 020.
Heading to 020 up to Seal Beach, VG 10 Heavy.
Delta 89 Heavy, speed will be your discretion.
Charlie 9 Heavy slowing now, coming to 210.
Thank you.
Establish code ILS 2 for right approach.
Maintain 7,000, now to Alex, the ILS 2 for right approach, American 255.
Delta 1812, center maintain 2,400.
2,400, Delta 1812.
American 255, traffic 9 to 10 o'clock and 5 miles. They're joining the south side final heavy Boeing 777, 5,000.
Inside, American 255.
255, thank you. Maintain business operation with that traffic. They'll stay off your left.
American 255.
Delta 1812, reduce speed to 170.
Understanding now, Delta 1812. Hey, approach, good afternoon, American 1092 is 13,000, go under above 10, ILS 24 right.
Delta 1812, turn right heading 230, intercept the 2 for right localizer.
Right, 230, intercept for 2 right localizer, Delta 1812.
So is that JetBlue 323 or American 1092 checking on? I missed it.
That's right, American 1092, 12.5, go under above 10, ILS 24 right.
1092 SoCal approach, thanks. Maintain 250 knots.
We're doing 250 knots, right?
Delta 1812, 3 miles from Jetta, 2,400 till established. Code ILS 24 right approach.
24 until established and cleared for the ILS 24 right, Delta 1812.
Delta 1812, thank you for your help. Contact Los Angeles Tower 1339er. Speed is your discretion. Good day.
339, good, Delta 1812.
Delta 1752, checking out to you, 10.2, descending the at or above and echo.
JetBlue 323 SoCal approach, maintain 250 knots.
250 knots, JetBlue 323.
1752 SoCal approach, reduce speed to 210.
Turn 0, Southwest 1752.
Eva 8, correction, BJ 10 Heavy, turn right heading 060.
Right heading 060, PJ 10 Heavy.
Eva 601 Heavy, turn left heading 160.
Left heading 160, Eva 601.
BJ 10 Heavy, descend and maintain 5,000.
Descend and maintain 5,000, BJ 10 Heavy. What kind of speed you want from American 255?
And 255 speed is now, just maintain 170 or better to Jetta.
170 or better to Jetta, American 255.
JetBlue 323, cancel approach clearance, just maintain 6,000 for now. Expect no delay for you. There's traffic off your left. I'll be turning beside you.
Maintain 6,000 for now, JetBlue 323.
Thank you. 1752, descend and maintain 4,000.
On 4,000, Southwest 1752, anticipate a long base?
Probably be about just outside of Merce. Should be fairly normal for final.
Thanks.
American 255, contact tower now 1339er, good day.
3.9, American 255, good day. American 1092, cancel approach clearance, just descend and maintain 7,000. Expect no delay, traffic's going to turn beside you.
Understood, cancel the approach, send maintain 7,000, American 1092.
Alaska 1486, LA Tower will be about 10 to 15 minutes or so for emergency.
Not a problem, Alaska 1486. Delta 89 Heavy's emergency aircraft, about 5 miles outside of Boca.
Delta 89 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, wind 240 at 7, runway 25 right, clear to land.
Delta 89 Heavy, clear to land, 25 right.
ARF-1, Los Angeles Tower, radio check. ARF-1, roger, next arrival for runway 25 right. JetBlue 487 traffic on an 8-mile final. It's an emergency aircraft without delay. Runway 25, correction cross, runway 25 right at Juliet. Turn right on Charlie, the second available taxiway after you cross.
Roger that, we're crossing 25 right at Juliet, second taxi, right west, Cudahy, JetBlue 187.
Delta 89 Heavy, understand. Exit Jet 699 without delay at Tango Cross, runway 25 left and runway 25 right. Taxi straight ahead via Lima in the north route. Contact ground point 65 at the checkpoint.
Okay, crossing 25 left and right, Lima, north route, and 2165. That's it. 699.
Compass 5759 without delay at Hotel 5 Cross, runway 25 right. Turn left on Charlie.
Cross 25 right at Hotel 5, left in Charlie, Compass City 759.
Compass City 759, remain this frequency, and after you cross, turn left on Bravo now. Turn left on Bravo, I will call your right turn.
After crossing left on Bravo, remain this frequency, we'll call the turn, Compass City 759.
Thanks, traffic on a 4-mile final emergency. Compass 6097, contact SoCal departure.
Good day, Compass 697. Alpha 90, Chief Emeritus Foxtrot for the inspection.
Ops 90, thanks.
Verify left turn on Bravo for Compass City 759.
Affirmative, Compass City 759, turn left on Bravo, left turn on Bravo, then a right turn onto Charlie 9, so just about 11 o'clock there, and then you can duck into Charlie. I just need to get you away from the emergency equipment.
Left turn on Bravo, left, right turn on Charlie 9, Compass City 759.
Thank you, Compass City 759. Once you make that right turn here, just hold your position and contact ground point 75.
Roger, Compass City 759.
Jet 699, contact ground point 65.
Point 65, 699.
Delta 89 Heavy, what was your question?
Heavy, maintaining 4,000.
Tell the fire crew it's right engine.
ARF-1, you copy that? Who was the other call?
Roger, CG-10 Heavy, maintaining 4,000, establish localizer 25 left.
BGA 10 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, wind 250 at 7, runway 25 left, go to line.
25 left, CG-10 Heavy.
Ops 90 from Bravo, correction, from Foxtrot, proceed on runway 25 right westbound.
25 right, Foxtrot, 90.
Delta 89 Heavy, you want to stop on the runway for an inspection?
Negative, we're going to clear out here.
Delta 89 Heavy, roger, turn right on uniform if you're able, turn right on Bravo, contact ground 121.4, correction, you can stay on 2785 and the emergency vehicles can talk to you there.
Okay, Delta 89 now, right Bravo, and we're going to stop on Bravo.
Delta 89 Heavy, affirmative, 127.85 for the emergency frequency. If you would, just clear with them first.
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, EVA 601, establish on localizer 2.9.
601 Heavy, Los Angeles Tower, caution, wake turbulence, 6 in trail of a heavy Airbus, wind 2407, runway 25, left for the land.
Here's the land, 2.9, EVA 601.
Ops 90, thanks. Alaska 1486, runway 25, right, taxi via Bravo.
Bravo, 25 right, Alaska 1486.